In the app, navigate to Vehicle Access or Keys. You'll find the options for managing your vehicle's security settings. You'll find an Add Driver option. Tap it to begin adding a new driver. Enter the new driver's name and email address in the provided fields. Now this is important. Set permissions. Decide if they get full access or restricted access, like specific times or days. An invitation is sent to their email once you've completed the setup. They download the app, accept the invite, and create their own Tesla account. That's the first major step. Tesla phone keys are device-specific, meaning each key is tied to a particular phone and cannot be copied or shared easily. To use the key, the phone requires authentication, such as entering a PIN or using biometrics like fingerprint or facial recognition on supported devices. If a driver loses their phone or should no longer have access to the vehicle, the owner can remotely revoke the phone key through the Tesla app. This instantly disables the key on that device, preventing any further access to the car. Security patches are delivered over the air through Tesla's update system, so it's crucial to keep the app and vehicle software updated. This ensures the latest security features are always in place to prevent potential vulnerabilities. As the vehicle owner, you have a lot of control. You can view and edit driver profiles within the app. You can monitor usage logs to see who drove the car and when. You can also set vehicle preferences for each driver, such as seat positions, climate settings, and even driving profiles, chill, sport, etc. It's all about shared responsibility, but ultimate control rests with the owner. In real-world scenarios, Tesla's multi-driver app transforms vehicle management. Families add teen drivers with safety restrictions like speed limits and geofenced areas, preventing unauthorized use and enhancing family safety. For corporate fleets, employees scan QR codes in the app for temporary access during handovers. This eliminates physical keys, reduces loss incidents by up to 50%, and streamlines operations for businesses like rental companies. In car-sharing services, the app enables dynamic access for guest drivers. Users add temporary permissions that automatically revoke after the trip, supporting scalable urban mobility without hardware changes. Looking ahead, Tesla's multi-driver system will incorporate biometric advancements like facial recognition for phone key. This technology allows secure hands-free vehicle access through biometric verification, eliminating the need for physical keys or even phone proximity in some cases. The system works through enrollment, where facial features are captured, then feature extraction analyzes unique characteristics, verification compares against stored templates, and finally grants access if matched. This provides enhanced security while maintaining convenience. AI-driven personalization will allow the Tesla app to learn individual driver habits, automatically adjusting vehicle settings like seat positions, climate control, and even music preferences as each driver enters the car. This creates a truly personalized driving experience where the vehicle adapts to each driver's preferences without manual adjustments, making multi-driver scenarios much smoother and more intuitive. Eventually, multi-driver management will integrate with Tesla's full self-driving supervised mode, enabling remote handovers where drivers can seamlessly transfer control during autonomous driving. This allows for personalized autonomous experiences where the vehicle maintains each driver's preferred settings while operating independently. These advancements represent the future of connected vehicle ecosystems, where biometric security, AI personalization, and autonomous capabilities work together to create safer, more convenient transportation solutions. While Tesla's phone key system is designed with robust security, cybersecurity experts like those from Kaspersky have noted potential vulnerabilities related to Bluetooth connections. These could theoretically allow unauthorized access if not properly managed. Tesla proactively addresses these concerns through regular monthly security patches delivered via over-the-air updates. These updates enhance encryption, fix vulnerabilities, and maintain the system's integrity without requiring physical intervention. Industry experts from Gartner and Forrester praise Tesla's multi-driver system for its user-friendliness and effectiveness. According to Tesla's incident reports and analyst data, the digital key system has led to a 40% reduction in key-related thefts when compared to traditional physical keys. To maintain optimal security, always prioritize strong, unique passwords for your Tesla account and enable biometric authentication when available. Additionally, regularly update both the Tesla app and your phone's operating system to ensure you have the latest security enhancements.